Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u antor news. Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam ta kasni. Uba PN Syiem Deputy Syiem ke KHADC lo kan ther la jingkran kan tien kum ga dawai ka bla kut pola ne expiry. Ka bla penmong ya baro ki MDC ki badan ha ka council. Bamenta jong ba adan mila basayong moit ba ka jingpen dlan ya ka samoy ha ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC. Bar Hajante Hills Autonomous District Council. Ka bamla ban priang. Uba pensngan Syiem MDC ka penthor umkra constituency ulaong numla lan ne kiar ya ki barim bat i ya ki bathymmai ka bamut ba ka pen ishai bangidon kamru ya ki barim. Ka babha bahap don kamlang ya ubala rim bat yu barang thymmai. Ha ka bayadai ba ka jing ong ka wei ka political party da ka bakam bakan say de ki dorkmat ki bathymmai hapo ka district council uba pensngan ula pentau bala da treitang ki badang thymmai ha district council kam dei ka baso ha ka bau ong bawat mangi ki bala rim ka syem jing e bha ban kamsup ban kat bat lada ngimle homework da ki tayo da ki banairu teng teng ni dan ya bakla ba di bathymmai kan simpor ha ba klipat la ka council ka pdeng ne em ya ka kentien expiry na kaliang ba pensngan ula ong balada kalong legally on yang namar ka constitution ka provision ka paragraph jang ka 6 schedule ka crenshaw ka samsnem ka dikata bala banteng extend sa shisnem radon ki daw ki nongrim ki babiang umta ula ong balada legally kam day expiry henry haba ong henry snem bante kam long syutang ka expiry henry ka long illegal Lada jia ba ka council country kam tang da ki badang thymmai kan don jingma shibun ben ram uba pensngan
ru ngila yo ban tep ya ka dor barpur urang bakur ta tep dengan i kum bang ngila persang ban pendep ya ki kam ki ba assign ba ai bor da ka isi ban ngi haban ong ba gini ki common minimum program jung ngilang borok angkat bat ka presidency mbe tang kata mentala itu dak anya gini benta gabamut kalong ba lada ki khul samla kitrei kanu ka kam ga babha la itu daga ai baro kata te sa nyu bai ka seng ka bam itu daga ai sengan thei dor basnong ru ngila ong ba ka record sno ne ka village register kalong mandatory nomla ban ai kanu ka certificate yano ro claim entar shwa haka record sno Bagadi ka kamram jong urang ba sinong ban please haka dorbar sisnyam ya baro ki ki ba lale la te daka ai la ban ai menta tang ba bihaban report ata ya kamu bihaban fees ya ka dorbar sinong tenga i bang ya pendek ikini ki bahana ka benta ka interest ki jungi haka jinge di bak amendment juga sik sidil bu ngila persang pan le bha ki ong ban ai bor yang ga district council ga dipej bha i kum ba ai bor yu gobernur ba ai bor ya sokar jilla nominate u ana nominate u gobernur ngi ong em mo gobernur nominate hadin bangila recommend mangi kapisa da ba pha state union finance commission ru ka syong ka state finance commission di ka state finance commission ting non member hang pe ya ka bukut te platip bi kanong inyo em yong ba kumbari komen dekat diskusi ya kata ki hapan recommend site kamu ngia protect yele dete hajinge de begini ki one representative tribe yang paling ndak ada si kita nyong be angut ibai kan thei wishin tang ba kita ru ban nominate nong free governor ni hab recommend mangi hamangin ko mangi thai pla su thu hi ya nongin recommend te kini ki pi kadon le ko ba khamma su kebaongan na baka village council baka municipal council kintri ka manong por hakapor bu government u approve tingiting me kataru kitingim ko ay village council ikwa sno dor bar sno ikwa dor barai dor bar lima tira bu ikata ka khamai nyong pin bu ikata ki bu ini hajing ya nyong ble kitaru kintri kam tanglada ngi aya consent mangina di council baru approve u government kamu nyelak hang kai wi jing khang na khamat nang ba unnom nong free bagin le ganu bakta ya ka interest jongi hangni ngilap bangi ka kongres hangni ka gitu lang baka MVP nga persang ban le ya ka badai Tenre ko baong kadon ka pressure hadu menta nagi frontal organization naga youth congress naga mahila congress wan na kaliang let's say kala bandred cha ko ICC ro ikane ba kimdalong happy
Ong benda ba kung MDC Congress be kay lang ken
nam ya kata pi tentang ilongi ki nong yalam ngim su thu ka ika mind jong bopun bala ajing pa jungi ngi la persang ban perform ba ko ma pi tenre kajing ko ajung ki kalong ba banwen de ha bang ya snap ba ki bopun ki parti bokas let's say ngatai pi ba ki social media ki ru ba kimda kham sutunat ya kan polisi jong ka NBP. Jadi saya katakan dia kedau. Jadi haji lam jungi hang ni pedang lek bun ki ki ba.
kami orde ko daw ajan ke election MDC ne kiti
Jadi bagi jan yang disem sini makidi la nadu mensua. Ngasain du penai mensua. La persang iban ong yangi. Dia kasulong ba nakaliang jungi pada irang bun kini ki kam ki bangai debat pendap. Ngidang susah lut hiban margi bun ki ya ki kam just recently ngidang dep ya ga mo ya ga khairim ke bangidang syu dep buat. Dia ngin sudon kam ba bana pendap kini ki hindai kan ni ka jing pressure kam dei tang mentang nadu mensua.
Itu kumud la nak mo ba ong pimentai.
Komen kadang ong ipi na rumnya bagade ka bakluit bah ka jinge kadang napo ki nong tri parti yung kongres kadai kadai ka jing lang hang ni tri ngi amta ngi hap hai abang pai bursai ngi hap ban pej ba kamdei ban don kanu ka ban kta tian dei tang bala kumnu kumba ong no mo kanu ka bala kluit ya ha ka bakut kan sami de kada kami kanu ka hap ban syai dia kadang syai ngatrai katukan ni skingin syai ngomong ngomong fiba hadu mentang idon in a good time but ni ala ban bun ki tenre ngalong fiba only few days kata ke nga sai kum kita ki ke ba penlongi parti bukas jungi ruban ban ya lang sata tenre haji hadi kai komen jong to mukul tengah namdon kata ji sno ko jong u tenre habakut nagaliang jongi katu kat ni ki nong yalam jong kongres nganong all nganong barok pai idon tang ka thong badang idon hangnu ro indon yu sinyang benhei na ka benta ka inang tagi briu ki jongi dia Henry kumong pina ru mennya biang bagi tentang haban sam baru atli ki skor nan marba nginum la ban go against ru ka ngau jong babun balang le sing nong bo basat la ru o ngla sat la i kata for many mon tenre ngi ibun ki ki pada ki bangi don kampan le tenre ya kata marong ifi very few days ngatrai nimsa take a final call
kapin isa siya kata
ga ujung ate ka jisngo jong pai ba babun balang nga imat hamtam kinong kursan kongres kata ka diga ka jisngo jong Kamdi. Kalong kanite. Kabakloy sandro teng kamlong kabak sem thandro kalau kamlong kadipen ha ka situation nginong menang batay kata. Dili ka sulong ba ni ngin haban snap ha gini ka dia adu kan ka. Yu khamtam mangili bagi diga national party ka syong ru ka direction na ka party na jrom. Dili singin apa gini kan dia singi ka jisno. Dili ba ba nagaling jungi bangim da sutunat kamut kata tendi ka sulong ba hapan sangat borok gilian not delayed because I think notification for election has been not notified, so we still have some more time to discuss on the candidature of different constituency, but just recently we had issued a notification that all those aspirants who are interested to be the candidates of the Congress, they can collect their application from the office of the Congress, right from 3rd of this month. I think by 13th of December, block will discuss, and they will recommend to the district on merits. Then I think by 17, 18, we will discuss at the election committee of the Mekhla Pradesh Congress Committee. Then we will decide.
Will there be any pre-poll alliance?
No, there is no pre-poll alliance.
You will be fielding all the 29?
Yes, all the time. But we have to see how is the position of the Congress in all the constituency.
in how many constituencies you already have candidates
We can have candidates on all the 29.
oh, you already have now prospective candidates
Perspective, See, as of now, I think after BPP declared the list of candidates, many good aspirants, they look at Congress as the only alternative. So it seems that we are not short of qualified competence candidate. So it seems that Congress can fight from all the 29 constituencies.
Only thing, sticking with the NPP here will affect you very badly in the elections.
See, I think you all knows, right from the last MPCC meeting, our party worker had voice in regards with working together with NPP here. And many people, many party workers, they express the view that they are not happy working with NPP. But from the day one when we work with NPP, we are very clear. Our purpose, our objective, let us contribute. Let us contribute for strengthening the custom, the tradition, the practice of different institutions in the jurisdiction of Khasil of Masjid Muslim. That is number one. Number two, amendment of the sixth schedule is so crucial. It will be good for us to sit together in the executive committee to give beautiful proposal so that it will not affect our community. That is the main objective of the party before we decide to work together here. And we are happy. We did it. I think this EC had achieved many things. We try to discuss a big issue about the village admission bill. And it has been spoiled because of not happy of some political parties during that time. But during this time, yes, we'll miss the PAP. But the village administration has been inserted through the amendment in the Ilaka Admission Act 1991, if I'm not wrong. This is big achievement that we can insert the village administration of the Dorbarsinong Dorbardong in the Ilaka Admission Act amendment. Not only that, even the Dorbardong block meeting or block Dorbar, we had empowered them. Not only that, even the women organization we call Sengkante has been recognized, has been empowered legally in the amendment. Not only women organization, youth organization, Sang Samla, Shnong, it has been addressed in the amendment. I think this is a big achievement for the present EC. Not only that, even the clan Dorbar, clan organization has not been legally recognized. Sometimes Tom, Dick and Harry also claim that we are the clan elders. We are the clan elders. But this time, the clan elders should be decided, elected by the Dorbar court. Approved by the no one can claim to be the elder of the clan. We had empowered the clan. We have more than 3,000, 4,000 clans. Then it is very clear that yes, collectively with the EC, we are achieved. Not me, but it is part of the common minimum program in the present coalition EC. Okay, other than that, we passed many bills in regards with the Ilaka. I think we all know that in Khasil, the biggest Ilaka is Mlim and Khairim. Khairim has no act. It's just practice in custom, tradition and practice. But this time, it has been enacted. for Khairim also. So our purpose has been completed, no doubt. Yes, amendment of the schedule we cannot complete because the Home Ministry has not put in the Parliament for now. But this also we did a very beautiful job. I remember when we met the chairman or the advisor of the Home Ministry, Mr. Mishra. Our argument, our discussion is that this amendment of the sixth schedule is for empowering district council. But when we read in details, sometimes it seems empower the governor, empower the state government. That is not the true spirit of the empowerment. So that's why in our beautiful suggestion in the proposed amendment, what we said, number one, nominate MDC, not 4, only 2. No need to mention one representative type or representative type. That depends on the council, whom to recommend. Number 2, nominate MDC can be nominated by the governor. How will governor nominate without our recommendation? We give a proposal that these 2 MDC, nominate MDC, one man, one male, one female, will be recommended by the district council, then approved by the, appointed by the governor. That is the true empowerment of the district council. Number 2, in terms of finance, we are at the mercy of the State Finance Commission. It depends on the recommendation of the State Finance Commission to the Union Finance Commission. They may recommend any amount what they want, but we said that State Finance Commission will recommend as recommended by the district council, as recommended. I think that is also our suggestion. Not only that, in the proposed amendment of the Home Ministry, the village council and the municipal council, we have no village council here. We have village darbar. We put village darbar. We put traditional institution like Hima, Ilaka, right, and so on. That also is in the suggestion. Not only that, as per the proposed amendment of the Home Ministry, saying that municipal council and village council at any time can be implemented with approval of the governor. We are not safe. At any time, maybe at any moment. So what we give the proposal? Only with the consent of the council, the governor can implement, approve, or assent. Without consent of the council, he cannot give the assent. We have to put some beautiful proposal, protected our right. I will not say anything, but the district council should be all in all. In terms of finance, in terms of nominate MDC, in terms of implementation. If the council is convenienced, then the council recommend in the house to implement any new rules. So from the Congress point of view, we together with the EC, we did it. But very sad, it has not been bring in the parliament. So my point is, yes, no doubt, people from, especially the party workers of the Congress party, they are not happy. Till now, there is a very pressure that we should come out. We should pull out from the present EC. Yes, right from the day one, we support with the very objective. In one hand, yes, we achieve many things. In one hand, also we have to listen to the party workers and also the AICC. So this is still a boiling topic within the state Pradesh Congress Committee, along with the different youth congress, Mahila Congress, and our party was. But right now, yes, it may not take much time. We have to take a final call. But right now, we still discuss because we have nothing to say against our colleagues because we did so many things. But there is a big pressure from the party workers. I think this we have to discuss very urgently, and then we can proceed and decide accordingly.